Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. AMP Energy India and CINMF to invest $200 million in Indian renewables. Telangana Renewable Portfolio. BSES to increase its renewable portfolio. Coming to the details. Renewable Energy Focused Infrastructure Fund Manager, Copenhagen Infrastructure Partners, through its Copenhagen Infrastructure New Market Funds, has signed an investment agreement with AMP Energy India to enable joint equity investments of over 200 million in renewable energy projects in India. AMP Energy India and an integrated renewable energy power producer and CINMF have targeted an initial 1.7 gigawatt portfolio of renewable energy projects, delivering clean and green energy to commercial and industrial and utility customers. The portfolio will comprise 900 megawatt, which is in advanced stage of development, and an additional 800 megawatt of projects in earlier stage of development. The investment agreement is a key milestone as the company marches towards the goal of creating the first truly balanced and complete renewable power producer with a 5 gigawatt target. This transaction is CINMF's first investment in Indian renewable energy market since its inception in 2019. The plans of Telangana state government's energy conservation initiatives and renewable energy programs on tapping green power has been bearing fruits. At present, the total renewable energy installed in the state is 4,400 megawatt, of which 3,900 megawatt is solar power, while the remaining energy is tapped through sources such as wind energy, biomass energy, biogas, industrial waste to energy and mini hydel projects. The installed capacity of solar power in 2016 was 120 megawatt and it rose to 3,900 megawatt this year as the efforts to conserve energy in the implementation of renewable energy grew brighter. According to the State Renewable Energy Development Corporation, which is the state designated agency for implementing all renewable programs, there has been a huge demand for solar power particularly. Reliance Infrastructure Promoted Power Distribution Company BSES Limited, which operates in some areas of Delhi, is in the process of tying up of 3.3 gigawatt of green energy for supply in the national capital. When the deal is concluded, the company would become the DISCOM with the highest green energy tie-ups. By financial year 2023-24, about 3.3 gigawatt of green power will be operationalized by BSES. Out of this, 2.3 gigawatt will be purely renewable, consisting of solar, wind and waste to energy, and around 1 gigawatt would be hydro. BSES will sign power purchase agreements with projects and tendered by central agency SECI Limited. The projects that BSES will sign up are of Adani Green Energy, AMP Energy, Avikaran, Surya among the others. Additional news today. Madhya Pradesh tenders for 225 megawatt solar projects under PM Kusum. August 31st is the bid submission date. Karnataka retains generic tariff of 3 rupees 26 paisa per unit for wind projects in financial year 2021-22. Uttar Pradesh Commission approves 3.29 paisa 3 rupees 29 paisa per unit tariff for 150 megawatt floating solar project. Vedanta Aluminium has procured 354 million units of solar and non-solar renewable energy primarily from Green Thermohead market at IEX. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 172.89 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 2 rupees 58 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 77 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 50 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 19 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 23 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.